It's been a hard day's night, and I've been walking like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a love. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do make me fake, but you know right. You know I work all day to get you money to buy you things, and I don't want it just to hear you say you're gonna give me everything.
Good morning, Sam.
Good morning.
What you doing?
Oh, just rigging up a flying fish.
Oh yeah, just flying fish.
Flying fish landed in our cockpit,
Wow.
so we're gonna send him out, see if we can get any bites.
Awesome. What's going on, Sam?
First fish of the trip.
Woo! We're waiting to see what it is. Hey there. What you got cooking? Good looking.
Seared ahi.
A lake. There's no wind, so even though we're only about 80 miles from Palmyra, it's still going to take us another 24 hours. I just did laundry, so hopefully whatever Sam catches doesn't bring a lot of blood.
We got something gigantic on the line on the bottom of this, on the 14-0, and it took line like no big deal. So it's either a big tuna or a shark. It's not jumping like a marlin. And anyways, it's sunset. We got one day till Palmyra, so who knows? Could be anything.
Okay.
Is this like a panoramic or something?
Yeah.
There's like ropes and stuff in the way. I think it's not really gonna work.
Oh, well, I mean, it's not a true pano. Hello! Almost to Palmyra!
Okay.
Gallia, Palmyra Station.
Palmyra Station, this is Gallia. We copy loud and clear.
Welcome to Palmyra, Gallia. What's your ETA for our channel?
We are 12 miles out. We're making about almost 5 knots. So we're, you know, another 2.5 hours probably.
Roger that. Gallia is about 2.5 hours out from the channel mouth. We'll look for you there.
Roger that. Thank you much. We'll see you soon.
We're going to Palmyra! We did it!
All right.
Where are we?
We are almost to our first destination.
What's today's date? The 21st?
21st.
And we left 8 or 9 days ago?
8 days ago. But other than that, we've been on this little plot
33-foot
of floating territory.
highs and lows.
Highs would be that we made it safely, that we
Big high.
caught that big fish in the beginning, the big tuna, the ahi. So we ate well the whole time.
Memorable moments aside from the fish.
The other two fish.
And a bird. You caught a bird.
And a bird. We caught a bird.
I didn't get to read one book. Didn't get to listen to any audiobooks, nor do a crossword puzzle. And that's a bulk of my luggage that I brought on board. But looking forward to finally relaxing.
Yes.
We've been working on the boat for so long, and then even though we've been on here for 8 days,
It's been work.
it's been work. So we're anxious. Palmyra is here. We're about to be greeted by the other boat we were supposed to be buddy boating with.
Our friend Andrew Purvis.
Yes, and
So-
Catherine.
Yeah.
Hey! Welcome!
You guys made it!
You guys are looking good. Yes. We made it!
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand.
Land into Jurassic Park. You hear those pterodactyls? Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. We're here, Palmyra.
And watches the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea. He's there waiting for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to his arms I'll go sailing.
Okay, here we have Lauren, right?
Yeah.
And
Wildlife Service.
we're in Fish and Wildlife Service. They are hacking down the coconuts. Do you believe it, Mom and Dad? There's an infestation, and they go around with their machetes, and they are stopping the population. They're all doing such a good job.